You see them surfing eyes. What the bees like? What the bees like? 13 love, 13 wisdom, 13 knowledge, and 13 respect. Readings to all everybody out there. Yo, this is gonna be a little. It's gonna be a little out there. What I'm gonna say, but it's not really out there. I made a video a while back, and I was explaining about insects and ants and insectilians and all that kind of stuff being controlled by insects. So I'm gonna try to, if I find a video, I'm gonna try to put this to that video so you can watch both videos. So you see this video is gonna be a response to that video, because after where I just went, I got some clarification on some things. So you ready for it? You ready for it? It's gonna be over your head right here. It's gonna blow your mind. But I want you to have an open mind about this right here. You ready? And the story goes. We have this thing on the planet where we have these people out here manipulating everybody. And it's an agenda going on that is so big, and it's throwing people all loops and everywhere, they looking everywhere, and it's called reptiles, reptilians. We all have reptilian in us, right? Because it's the first part of your brain right off the spine, or the spinal cord, the bird brain. So everybody has this reptilian agenda and this reptilian movement, like from the movie They Live. So everybody, ooh, reptilians, reptilians. You don't have a clue. The so-called reptilian people or whatever, or the ones that were other ones that was here, they left the planet back in 2003. There's something else here on the planet that's controlling people that refuse to leave. Insects. Yes, I said insects. You think about the little bitty insects. No, we talk about the big insects. Insectilia from, I think it's barbarians. They have a big like big egg-shaped planet, or a big egg-shaped ship that's over there by Saturn that's docked up there. But they inside our realm now too. In this third dimension, they low vibrating frequencies that they send with their antennas. And see, with the insects, who runs all the insects? And the ants, the bumblebees, hornets, termites, all kind of insects with antennas. They have a hierarchy, a matriarchy, and it's the queen. Who we have on the planet? The queen. Who runs the whole world? The queen. And I told you in the video too, she has that what? That ring, Lord of the Rings. And everybody bow to the queen, because the queen controls everybody, all her drones, her jacks. She controls all her drones, insects, and us. So everybody gonna protect that queen no matter what. Even on myself, I call the beast, that Vatican the beast. Yes. But he's just a core too, under the queen. That queen is the powerfulest thing on the planet. She's the queen insect. She's not the reptilian. I call her Elizabeth too. But when I went to where I went at, they had me fooled too. These shape-shifting devils, bug-eyed bastards, nothing but insectilians. Insects. That's all it is. And they even try to give us hints in the movies, like Independence Day, talk about like mantis and stuff. They swarm. That's why in your government out here, they send out these space when they go to war and stuff, or now they have on the United States cities, they call drones. What do ants send out when they go out to war? They go to look for other ants. They send out the drones. What do bumblebees send out when they go to look for more honey? Drones. So all the technology they're getting is getting from the insects. See, their planets, where they come from, they ran out of their food sources. They destroyed their food source. They're like locusts. Now look at this planet. Why you think they be poisoning on the food, genetically modifying the food? Because the insects can't mess with the original bloods. So if your original blood, you ain't got the original blood, you better be trying to get your blood right by eating right foods. You eat animal foods, they can easily take over you. And let me tell you how they take over you. When they get you, that's why so many people come up missing. You never hear from them. That's all these so-called like people in the industry, like clones and stuff. They do make clones, but First, they try to they get them and put like a big egg inside their throat, like inside their body, and the egg get hatched and then changes over to an insect inside the body. So they still like a human, but they ain't nobody insect. That's why they have a fake smile, like that Nicki Minaj girl. They had that fake smile and put an insect in them. That's all Obama and them and Clinton be like. They be in control. It's about giving them signals. They send the signals through antennas. Right? That's why they got antennas everywhere. Insects. This is real talk. See, we're solar beings. We talk with telepathy. We didn't need no antennas and stuff. We had energy all around the planet with pyramids. We didn't need no antennas. Now they got antennas everywhere. Why is that? To keep that signal going on. A low frequency, 3D signal. Because we're on the lowest frequency. Dealing with insects. Why you think they spray the chemtrails now? So they can live and breathe. Get you to get kind of sick and weak so they can go inside your body, get easy to take over your body. Because some of your blood is too powerful and you like got that kryptonite blood that can fuck them up. Especially that old blood. But you start eating the bad foods, then your blood get weakened. Your pineal gland gets calcified. Then they can overtake you. See, they put parasites inside the food and all that stuff so they can easily get inside. Because they're parasitic. I know it sounds crazy. But you never thought about it. So you got an agenda out here that people like David Icke and them out here pushing this reptilian movement. And it's a big movement. And everybody talk about the reptilians, the reptilians, the reptilians. Fuck no reptilians. They're insects. Ain't nobody told you this yet. But I went and seen her face to face. I seen the ugly queen bitch myself. And I said, they've been fooling everybody all this goddamn time. The so-called reptilian people, they've been left the planet. These are insectilians from this the planet, bug-eyed bastards. And they're here to harvest. Didn't I tell you about they're harvesting? Reptiles don't harvest, but insects do. Like grasshoppers and all kind of stuff. Ants. Harvest them for what? Because on their planets, they ate all their food out. But America, USA, the Earth is abundance. But they got to do it in secret in how they call it how the military name, I can't even think right now. But they got to do it in secret. So they make secret movements, how they do stuff. So they got a big thing called like Monsanto, maybe Monsanto. They got a big thing like a Monsanto, and right here poison all the foods in the crops. So you can't eat that good food, they give you bad crops. So your system gets weak inside and start dying down. So when they get you, they can just easily take over your body. And plus bring some of the ones that's out there waiting, the ones like the children out there waiting, the insects out there waiting to come and get inside your body too. That's all it's about. And your government is helping them because they sold out. They weak-minded. Just like some insects, they shoot you with a taser, don't they? Tase that ass, zzz, buzz your ass and stuff. Now police got little taser guns, don't they? Shoot the little clip and send juice through your ass, don't they? You wanna know where they get all this technology from? Insects. I know you're saying to yourself, man, that man lost his mind. He going crazy. When your first TVs that you had in your house, how do you get your signal in? 2 antennas behind that TV, huh? Insects. When you go outside your car, you need a radio antenna, huh? Insects. A low frequency. Low vibrations. Because the insect is the lowest vibrating thing on the planet. I made a video and told you you can be controlled by roaches, anything inside your house. Because you're on a low frequency. See, they can't live on a high vibration. It destroys them. That's why Earth is seeing all these parasites coming here, and we gotta rise up. So Earth is rising up. The royal family say, oh no, the insects are trying to take over. Because see, everything is ran by it's like a hierarchy, and who runs every hierarchy is the queen. If you think of now, who runs the planet? See, they came here and they studied the humans and they saw everything about us. See, we taking our little monkey ass up there, the moons and all that kind of stuff like that, whatever, trying to go and stuff. They say, oh, they don't know who they is still yet. We can get them. So they need our energy. So they tricked us with the money, the moon currency, the energy with the Rothschild and all that kind of stuff. Them insect bastards. And we thought it was reptiles. The insects. I'm blood raw. Real. I am serious than a heart attack. I know some people like, man, he done lost his mind. No, you need to go do your damn homework. I'm telling you I'm saying some real straight up stuff here. That's why some of them bastards walk the way they walk. You see them little Nazi soldiers still in their legs like that, walking just like some goddamn mantis, praying mantis. But they always got goddamn, they praying on people. And who always talking about praying? The Pope wants y'all to pray. Praying mantis. Pray, man. Pray, man, to an insect. I know some of y'all like, man, what you talking about? I'm talking about some blood raw facts, some blood raw truth. You being manipulated to look something else. If somebody gonna do something to you, is they gonna tell you the truth? Now think about this. People got locked up for less for talking bad about somebody, cause that's they have laws against it, going around like slandering somebody, like you slandering the queen and stuff. David Ackner should have been in jail, shouldn't he? Alex Jones and these people should have been in jail, shouldn't they? Cause the queen, they ain't saying nothing. They know ain't no reptilian. They let them talk that reptilian shit. 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 Motherfucking no goddamn reptilian. That's a goddamn insect. Praying mantis bastards. Preying on the human people out here. I am so serious. You might don't think it is. This is goddamn. This is a goddamn that beast. That's what they're gonna call it, a beast. That's what it is to me, a beast. Something that's out of nature. Something that's like a locust that go around and killing all the plants' life and stuff. Just like an insect. Insects are the one go around killing off plants and everything, tearing them up, destroying the trees, just to make his kind survive. All in the name of the queen. Who runs the whole world? The queen. Study the matriarch system. Study Mayat. Know they need our solar energy, cause they can keep alive. They keep their species alive, and they're gonna come and harvest you. Now, is it making a little sense? They coming to harvest you. You gotta think about why they want to give you vaccination shots to keep your vibration low. Why they want to give you all these low F waves, low frequency waves to keep you low so you can easily be controlled. This is so serious, and I know it sounds so crazy. It's it's wow, but hey, I'm serious. So you gotta think everything they doing, like it's so important to eat the right foods, because you eat the right food, you make your vibration go up high, and the insect can come around your light. And I told you the light will blind people. They come around you with that light. Then I tell you that. So if you're eating the right food, your light gonna start shining out bright sunlight. That insect bug can't take that bright light like that. They go into that. They burn to your light. They burn. They will burn. They can't take your bright light. They need you low. They need you like halfway out so they can fly around and see. That's why it was told we live in a holographic world. You got to spare that stuff there, because when you look outside through the eyes of an insect, it's holographic. Think about it. The bumblebee eyes and all that kind of stuff is holographic. See, we got the brand. We just like the bee. We can buzz and all this stuff. We got a higher vibration. That's why we can easily we should be able to tell what they're doing. But they know we compatible to them, whatever. They can adapt to us and stuff. That's that they, cause the insect they know our brains, the brain of the bee. So they want to tap into us, and that's why I told you they be like playing with your pineal gland. If they can kill your pineal gland on your soul with calcification and fluoride, they got you. Now, why you think they push all this fluoride out here? See, your soul keeps you alive. But if they can calcify that, your soul is in the cell, then that wasp or that bee thing can overtake that body. Go look at some nature channels and think what I'm saying. You got some kind of bees out there that can that gets onto like a caterpillar or something. They taser them, shoot their little poison in them or whatever, and they use that body as a host to create more stuff. And that's why they got parasites all inside your body. And once they calcify the pineal gland, they got you. Now keep eating your blood foods like I told you. Going down. I ain't trying to scare you. I'm trying to prepare you. You know you don't supposed to be eating them foods. And now they got these little mosquito drones out here. Dragonfly drones. And you that solar being that got some wings that can come out of his ass, but you don't even know it because you've been calcified. And that ugly queen biatch sitting like they're just chilling. They think we reptiles. They been fooling y'all. They been fooling y'all. Insectilia. Go check out my man Riley Martin. He wrote a book called The Coming of Tan. He got some. Matter of fact, you can go on YouTube and look up Riley Martin, The Coming of Tan. He mentioned some same stuff about the insects too. He said he mentioned the same stuff about the insects too, and the government knows it. They try to act like he's crazy. And he talked about them barbarians too. That big ass giant planet, that big ass giant ship up there by Saturn. And who runs this planet? The world got the Saturn ring, Lord of the Ring, Saturn, Satan, Lord of the Rings. Think about it. They've been fooling us. They got you talking about who the reptilian. You the reptilian. You the reptile. You the reptilian. You don't got the reptilian blood. Oh, y'all better wake the fuck up. I'm serious on this one. This your boy, the 13th son. I ain't finished with this one though. I ain't finished because it's so much information I'm still dissecting from what I trip I just made. And it's like, I saw face to face. I saw the bug-eyed bastard face to face. And I see that I see their mission. You know, I told you more stuff keep coming to me daily. When the planets did their thing, Jupiter did his thing, the solar eclipse came, I was like, wow, it's kind of crazy. And the energy kind of crazy, so I'm getting all this different information right now. I was like, wow. Then I astral do what I got to do, and I go in that spiritual world, and I see these bastards. I said, ugly motherfucker. And every movie, they have movies like, I think a movie called, not Arrivals, something with Charlie Sheen was in a long time ago. And like the little boy out of the desert or somewhere, and the guy, when he turn around and walk, their legs like break back. It's like their legs go back like a hopper grass. Just about every single fucking movie got something to do with aliens. The legs, the knees like is backwards. The feet like the knees backwards, like the feet facing forward, but the way the legs look is like they're backwards though. Every single alien movie got something to do with the legs. They walk backwards like insects. Every single freaking movie got something, and they're not no fucking reptilian looking people. They're always insects. Now they've been trying to tell you goddamn him. You've been too goddamn blind because somebody came out and said, nah, they gotta know, Don't tell them the truth. Tell them reptiles, lizards, reptilians. The reptiles is you. And the other ones that was here, Ben left the planet in 2003 when they was told to get off the planet and leave them humans alone and let them evolve. But the insects said, no way. We outnumber them. That queen said, no way. We go down. Because it's survival of the fittest. They say them humans, they out of order. They way out of order. We the worst thing going around right now. We have no love for each other. We don't follow. We have no kind of family or structure. We just all fucked up. We poison our bodies. We eat anything. We kill and destroy stuff just doing it. We're not doing it to live. They doing it to live. We just out here fucking around doing shit. But the insects doing it to survive. You don't even care about living no more. You like, so what? So what? So they see that. And they like, so what? They don't care. We don't care. They trying to survive, keep their race alive, keep their species alive, and you don't give a damn. Now think about it. You still don't think I'm coming to get 15%? 85% you're going to perish and get harvested from these motherfucking insects. I know it sounds crazy, because your mind can't see what I can see. It's your boy, the 13th son. I'm gonna get to your blood raw every in each and every goddamn time. Insectilia. Go look it up. Look at Riley Martin stuff. He got some stuff on YouTube. Riley Martin, I think it's called The Book of Tan. Tan, The Book of Tan, or The Coming of Tan. And he talk about the stories that he got abducted and all this kind of stuff. And he tell you about these same goddamn thing I'm talking about. Insectilia. Word up.